Welcome back to Lesson 9 of the Kodu Game Lab tutorial series. In this lesson, we will create the player character for our Space Invaders game. Let's begin by creating a new world. I will increase the size of the world using the ground brush, as the starting size is too small for this game. I am not worrying about the appearance of the game just yet. We will leave the fine-tuning until we have everything else working. Next, we will add our player character. For this game, I am using the Kodu character. We now need to adjust the camera. Space Invaders is traditionally a 2D game, so to replicate this I'm going to use the fixed position camera, which I can select here. I select X to set the camera, then I adjust the view until I am completely happy, at which point I then fix the view by pressing Enter. I can now exit the World Settings menu by pressing Escape and focus next on character movement. To do this, I will right-click on the Kodu with the object tool selected and select Program, where I'm going to add the movement by saying Keyboard and WASD keys, Move, and here I'm going to limit the movement by selecting East and West. This means that it can go left and right. Next, I'm going to add on the movement to allow me to fire. So I'm going to use Keyboard, the miscellaneous key, and select the spacebar. And then I'm going to go and select Shoot. And here, again, I need to select Direction this time, because I only want my missiles going up. So I select North, and then select Missile. Let's make sure this works. When I play the game, the camera changes to the position we fixed earlier. Our character can move left and right, and it can shoot, which is exactly what we wanted. However, my character does not feel very responsive, so I need to change some of his settings. To do this, I'll select the Object tool, right-click on my Kodu, and select Change Settings. The first one I'm going to select is the Turning Speed Multiplier. I'm also going to increase the forward acceleration multiplier and the turning acceleration multiplier. Cranking these up to full will make the Kodu much more responsive. Next, I'm going to change how long it took my missiles to reload. So if I scroll all the way down to missile reload time, I'm going to adjust this from 3 seconds to 2. Let's give this a try. So now, when I go left and right, my character is much more responsive than it was before, and there's now a 2-second gap between each time my Kodu fires his missiles. I am happy with this, so join me in the next video where we will look at setting up our enemies.